Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Yeah, Mana is not surprisingly now also moving up. A lot of the coins are starting to move. We're moving from support into resistance. A lot of requests for Mana now. Again, not a surprise because we're moving. A lot of people chasing green candles. But as I always say, you know, the best time to enter these is in the support regions. And the price was in a support region in August. In September, I highlighted the potential that we were starting the C wave. I also only made a video about Mana a few days ago and reminded you that we are likely in the white scenario at least. And it doesn't matter if it's the yellow count, which is allowing for even another high, or if it's the white count. In both counts, we were looking for higher. In September, I updated the chart and after that as well, but that was the first time when I pointed out we could actually be starting that move into that region around like 78 to 80 cents. Not many people, I think, cared about it because we were in a support area, sentiment naturally low. This is from our Discord server. Our gold members received these updates. This was from our long-term chart update list. Again, I can only remind you, if you are gold member, make sure that you have access to Discord because you get access also to our long-term outlook. And I highlighted here, that was the 21st of September, 2 months ago. The price could be starting wave C of 2 from this area, the white scenario in which the price could reach 78 cents next, and could then potentially even start a new bear market, but obviously that requires a break of support. That remains to be seen. Is currently more probable. So anyway, but also in this scenario, the price at the time was around 31 cents. See, that was the projection, right? For that C to move up, for that rally to move higher, or obviously the yellow count, but that remains to be seen. I mean, we'll see. I'm happy to be impressed as always. The approach is not to get bearish in the resistance area. The approach is to get cautious in the resistance area, right? Getting cautious and bearish, two completely different things. People sometimes mix them up. That's not what I'm saying, you know. We have to, first of all, get the C wave filled in, and then we have to watch for a first break of support in 5 waves to indicate that we're starting the move down, but we're not there. We're not even in the resistance area. So for now, I've added here sort of my idea for a potential micro count. Looks like wave 1 and 2 finished. The third wave is now on fire, and then there should be a 4th wave. And the idea is for anybody who's looking for another low risk entry. I mean, maybe that wave 4 will give an opportunity if it happens. Can't promise it, but if it happens, then we should see the price hold this support area. But if the price moves any higher in this currently still running 3rd wave, then the 4th wave support area will have to be adjusted with the price, which I'm gonna do, you know, going forward, obviously. So that means also the 37 cent level now, which is the lower boundary of that support area, is the pivot between further upside and a breakdown to whatever that might mean, maybe even new lows, test of around 14 cents, which is the lower support, but that's currently not expected. Looks like we are moving higher. And the first key target is the 100% extension at 78 cents. That's the first key target. That's the 100% extension of the initial A wave to the upside, but it looks like another 4-5 pattern is missing, so we might get to 128, 185. We'll see how far the 3rd wave extends, and then based on that we can define the target for the 5th. And if that's finished, you know, then we can talk about possibly even more bullish scenarios, because, you know, I'm not going to rule out that we are going higher, but after 5 waves the count is full. Well, and then it's about, okay, 5 waves up. Hey, do we get a 3-wave pullback? I mean, maybe, you know, but there would still be a substantial top. And that means the risk will be high in this resistance area. We'll keep you updated about that. That's my update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.